Want to change your life? You don't need $1,000,000 or new city or a perfect plan. You just need to start with your daily habits. Here are 7 small habits that, if done daily, will completely transform your life. 1. Start your day without your phone. The first 30 minutes of your day sets the tone. If you begin with scrolling, you're reacting to the world. Instead, start with stillness, stretch, breathe, think. Be the creator of your day, not the consumer. 2. Write down 3 priorities. Don't let your to-do list run your life. Each morning, write 3 things that truly matter. These are your non-negotiables. Win the day by focusing on what moves you forward. 3. Do something that scares you a little. Growth lives just beyond your comfort zone. Speak up, send that email, take the risk. Every small act of courage builds the muscle of confidence. Scared? Do it anyway. 4. Move your body every day. This isn't about six-packs, it's about energy. Walk, stretch, dance, lift. Your body fuels your mind. When you move more, you live more. 5. Practice micro-gratitude. Not the vague, I'm grateful for life. Get specific. I'm grateful for hot coffee. I'm grateful for my friend's laugh. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the good. 6. Learn something new, even for 5 minutes. Read 1 page, watch 1 tutorial, listen to 1 podcast. Feed your mind. A growing mind leads to a growing life. 7. Reflect before you sleep. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? A 2-minute reflection today prevents 10 years of regret. Awareness is power. You don't have to change everything overnight, but if you start with 1 habit today, you'll wake up a year from now and not recognize the old you. Which habit will you start today? Comment below. Subscribe for more real-life motivation and transformation tools.